This is my daughter Urja. Today we are going to cut my daughter's hair. You can see her hair are very long, but they need little bit trim. So I am going to cut them this much using CREACLIP and the trimmer. I use trimmer because I feel that is very easy to use instead of scissors. If you are using scissors, you need a sharp scissor. And I am going to give her just a U shape, not very fancy, nothing, just straight hair I want. So she is having wavy hair. I have not straightened that up. I don't use iron on her hair. So let's see how to do it. Take all the hair in one hand and clip. The hair are already combed very nicely. There must not be any tangle in hair. So I will put her hair, spread them a little bit because these are she is having nice thick hair, and lock the clip. Now we should adjust the ball like this. It should be in the middle and just pull it. If you have straightened hair, then it will be very good, but that's okay. Okay, so it's in the middle, and now I am going to cut with the trimmer.
If you are new to my channel, then please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified as soon as I upload my new video. If you like this video, then please share it with your family and friends.
So here you should be using like saw tooth edges. So this is the straightened, I have just cut it, and now I will just adjust for sawtooth again. So here I have leveled her hair, and there are some big hair, you can maybe see strands. So now the last step I am doing is cut it like this. So it will give bounce to her hair and they will look very pretty. All done. This look like this, not plain, but it gives nice texture to my daughter's hair. After washing her hair and setting them up, blowing drying, it will be look very pretty.